Okay, this video is going to be about adding effects to weapons, right? And actually setting it on the animation timeline so that you'll be able to see your effect when you attack. Right? What we're going to start with is actually placing where we want the weapon effect. Right? So this here we have Barbarian Girl. I could give you a link to where you can get this on their website and purchase her if you like her. She's cool. Yeah, they have a lot of nice assets there. Okay. So, well, I already did this, so I'll just remove this component and come here, remove this component. Right? Okay, so the first thing we want to do is specify where we want to actually place our effects. Right? Now I already have this object here on her sword. It has a box collider, right? So that means I'll be able to attack and hit things and mash it up and stuff like that. Anyway, so we'll click component here and go to effects, click particle system. We'll add a particle system to this one here. So now you can see that it's on the game object itself here. We have our box collider, we have our particle system, and we are going to just adjust some settings on this. What we want to start delay. No, we don't want to start delay. We want a lifetime. We want speed. Let's see, let the speed be 10. Nice, lovely. Right, and we're going to take emission and we'll put this down to 2. Make it 4. Right. Now this is another tutorial on actually creating particles, so we'll be leaving this as that for now. We'll copy this component and we'll go to our sword right here and we'll add our component. Click on the cogwheel, click paste component as new, and you'll see that we actually have it also on our right sword. Right? Lovely. Now on our game objects, make sure to set these as off. So click the little tick here, right? Make sure it's off. Same thing for our next sword, make sure it's off. Nice. What we want to do now is actually go and write functions, and also we want to set in our player controller script here. We want to make sure that the fields are exposed so we can actually put the objects in there. So our left sword and our right sword game objects. We'll just click on player controller script here, open up in Visual Studio. I'm using Mac, you could use whatever. On Windows you could use VS Code, you could use a lot of different things. IntelliJ actually have something for C# also. I forget the name of it. I think it's Sea Lion. No, not Sea Lion. Anyway, so we'll come here. We'll add our game objects up here. I will make it serialized fields because I just like serialized fields. Keep the object private. Right, and it's a game type game object. We'll put the underscore. This is just like a convention when naming private variables. So we'll say underscore sword left. The same thing here. Serialized field private game object underscore sword right. Lovely. We'll come and we'll just place our function somewhere anyway, some type of order. Right, you just name this put on sword effects. And so we'll say public function needs to be public, else it wouldn't be able to be used by the animator. So public will allow the function to be exposed throughout our program. So public void sword fx left, right? Void, because we're not returning anything, so we should specify void. We'll name this right, and we will make another function just to turn off the swords. So off. Lovely. What we'll do here now is call our variables. We want to call sword left, and it will be equal to, we'll call set active function, sorry, and set that to true. Do the same thing for right sword and set active to true, and for both we'll set active for false when this function is called. Make sure that is your right sword and your left sword if you have two weapons, or whatever the name of your weapons are. Right, so now we have this function. We save, minimize. Let's wait for Unity to refresh here. Lovely. Now you see we have two fields here, sword left and sword right. What we want to do, I'm just pressing Alt and click here to expand all the objects under all the children objects. Right, we're going to take our left sword object here, slide it, put it here. Excuse that noise. That's a helicopter. Oh yeah, helicopter. Sword right. Lovely. Let me save. Okay, so now this part is where we're going to actually add the effects on the timeline. So how we'll do that, we'll go to window and you will click on animation and click on animator. Well, you could actually find your animation if you want to find your animation through all your assets here, but I'll do it like this. Click on the animation, right? Go here to motion and click on the animation here. Click here on your animation again and click edit. Now we're going to use animation events. If you slide down, you'll see that there's a timeline here. You'll see that there are drop down menus here. You want the events one, and this is where we'll add our function on the timeline, right? Now, if we slide across the animation timeline here, you'll see that it actually moves here also. We want to specify when we want to call our function. So we'll call our function, let's say, we'll call our function here. So as it slices, it comes on, bam, right like that. We would click add event button here, and we'll add our function. We'll call sword fx right. Lovely. Let's apply that in case current gone, and we don't want to lose our changes. So apply that. What we'll do is add another event. Let's slide across where we want it. We want it when it chops here. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, so around here, we'll call our next function, add event, sword fx left, apply. Lovely. What's going on? I'm seeing two functions here. Why do we have two? Okay, let's do it one. Okay, probably from one. Probably I did that from before. Okay, what did I just do? That was dumb. Okay, so you're back to where we were. Sword right and sword left here, if we can call. And we're gonna add one more, which is sword off. And we'll put sword off, let's say, around here. Right, if you want, you could call the function twice, so like to turn off sword 1 or sword right, and then call it again to turn off sword left, but I rather do it like this. So we'll click add event here, we'll type sword fx and off, apply. Lovely, let's test it out. Play. Lovely. Woo! So good. So good. So good. Now we have an issue, and I'm thinking that in our script I didn't tell it to come off properly. Exactly. So we see we did not set sword right to false. Save that. Click play again. Lovely. 16 comes on, come off, come on, come off. So imagine you can have whatever attack, it could be a nice particle effect, and you could actually look like you made a game from one of these big studios. Just kidding. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and that's how you actually add effects to game objects and add your function on the animation event timeline. Thank you.